I already punched you twice. You would have done nothing. You look dumb as fuck. Shut the fuck up, dude. Shut the fuck up. Get that shit up on my face. You look stupid. You ain't even got nothing to say. Sit your ass down and shut the fuck up. End of story. Goodbye. You sound dumb. You don't even.
Dumb about what? What the fuck you do to my face? I can slap you and pin pat. Slap you like a little
do
bitch.
it.
You fucking are, you little fucking bitch. And I'll fucking tree slap you, pimp slap you like you little bitch. You fucking are, bitch.
Ooh.
You ain't a little bitch and word of my motherfucking time.
Do it.
Hey, just get him. Get his ass.
You cool though. You slap me twice right here like this. It's cool. What the fuck is a kid?
Ooh.
I'm gonna grab you. You told me
What are you gonna do about it? Like, what are you gonna
Ooh.
Come on.
Yo, don't stop. Don't slow down. Yo, how you gonna let him treat you like that?
About it? What the fuck?
What are you gonna do about it?
Alright, pussy ass nigga will hit a girl.
But you ain't gonna. You already put your hands on my throat like a little bitch. That's why I slapped your ass twice. The fuck?
Alright, did I fucking hit you?
You grabbed me like
Did I hit you? Did I fucking do something?
You wanted me?
Did I do something? No. What the fuck?
Ooh.
I ain't doing nothing to you. What the fuck you talking about?
Jesse grabbed me.
What you talking about like that? I wouldn't do hard to no girl like that. Never.
I'm about to fuck you up.
Girl's beautiful. Girl's
Calm down.
Damn. I'm fussy. That's cool.